A family company formed in 1968, SIP Industrial Products have grown to become one of the largest and most respected suppliers of a range of industrial equipment. The professional Tempest PPG1002 250 gearbox-driven pressure washer from SIP. This fantastic new professional pressure washer from SIP is packed full of features. It's also hand-built and tested at our Leicestershire headquarters by skilled SIP engineers. The PPG1002 250 is equipped with a gearbox pump. The gearbox pump reduces the pump speed by nearly 50%, resulting in less wear and tear, and increases pump life by up to 50% without affecting performance. The PPG1002 250 has a maximum output pressure of 3000 psi and a water flow rate of 1002 litres per hour, ideal for farming use, on-site work or heavy-duty work in open spaces where no mains power supply is available. The Tempest PPG1002 250 also features a reliable Honda GX390 petrol engine with low oil protection and 3-year warranty, large pneumatic tyres for easy manoeuvrability over rugged terrain, a tough powder-coated frame with integrated carry handles, and a heavy-duty double-barrelled variable pressure lance with adjusting handle, plus a 10-metre rubber hose. Also available from SIP is the professional Tempest PPG 680-210 gearbox-driven pressure washer. This machine is equipped with a Honda GX200 engine and has a space-saving folding frame, 9-metre rubber hose, and a selection of nozzles. There are a range of accessories available that perfectly complement SIP's range of gearbox-driven pressure washers, from jerry cans to flexi spouts. The brand new Tempest PPG1002 250 gearbox-driven pressure washer, available now from your local SIP distributor.